The Karnataka Congress government, under the leadership of CM Siddaramaiah ji, is transferring 24 pieces of land meant for civic amenities for the citizens of Karnataka, converting them to be used as Congress party headquarters. And this is happening after we have seen the abuse of power by the fake Gandhi family in the National Herald case. Second, Robert Vadra ensuring that the Congress government in Haryana then changes the land use and gives him permission where land of the farmers was acquired and transferred to Robert Vadra. In that sequence, if you see, it is worrisome that a chief minister of a state is not concerned about the people of the state. What about toilets, rest houses, other civic amenities required? These 24 sites have been transferred to the Congress Bhavan Trust. They are valued around 50 crores. The corruption-prone Congress gets it for 2 crores. Outright corruption of 48 crores visible. The market value may be even higher now. And the sad part is, what is the purpose of this transfer of land from civic amenities to building Congress offices? The target is 100. Don't miss the target. So these are 24 sites. The target is 100 Congress Bhavans. Now, why is this being done? So one, for the Congress party, the people of the state and the country don't matter. The DNA of the Congress is this, that we have to we have to appease the fake Gandhi family. The power tussle in Karnataka. We have seen how Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, glued to his chair, not worried about the people of the state, is being pushed, is being thrown out of the chair by whom? The Deputy CM, D.K. Shivakumar, who is himself wanting to be the CM. And I am not saying this. This statement has come out in public on a number of occasions where he said that there was a 2.5-year formula and the Chief Minister has to be changed. Third point, if there is a power struggle within the Congress, if there is a need to please the fake Gandhi family within the Congress, the larger point that I wish to raise is, should the people of Karnataka suffer because of that? Does that give a license to the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, to grab public use land and convert it into Congress property, and that too at a meager price, not even paying the market value to the government? And it would not be wrong to say, जिनको सुरक्षा करनी थी सरकारी संपत्ति की, वो मुख्यमंत्री, वो उप मुख्यमंत्री आज खुद लुटेरे बन गए हैं। इनका एक ही मकसद है, जहां जाऊंगा वहां करप्शन लाऊंगा, मैं आया हूं तुम्हारा कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा। टॉयलेट, स्कूल, अस्पताल, शेल्टर होम से मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है। मुझे केवल एक ही मतलब है, कांग्रेस पार्टी में रहना है तो नकली गांधी बार बार कहना है।